only tool you're gonna need, some pliers. Basically, you just unscrew this lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Screw the rest of it off with your hand. All right. Go to Amazon or whatever store you want to get you a shower head, any kind you want. It could even have the hose with the shower thing on it, whatever kind you want. Make sure you get some of this. This is plumber's tape. It stops the water from leaking once you put it on there. You just get a little bit, you put it around wherever you're gonna screw it. Just stays right on like so. Get your shower head. I just got this one from Amazon for like $7 because I'm balling on a budget. Screw it on there. Use your pliers to tighten it up. And there you have it, people. How to change your shower head faucet.